In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload pictures to Acuity scheduling site. Now, there's a few things you can do here, and I'm going to show you all of the pictures or images you can actually add to your site. The first one is going to be, if you go to scheduling page, you can add things like logos. So if you click on settings over here, you can scroll down and find logo. If you click on choose file, you'll be able to look for the logo you want to add on. So I'm going to look for it over here. So I'm going to type in logo, and there we go. I have a logo over here. I'm going to click on it and click on open. Now this is going to add your logo on here at the very top of your page, okay? Which is amazing. Now down here, you can also add images inside scheduling instructions. So if I go ahead and delete this, and I'm just going to click on insert image, and I'm going to click on choose file. Here, I'm going to select a random image and click on open. Now, whenever I do this, it's going to load in like that. And of course, if I go to the bottom and click on save changes, there we go. As you can see, I've added two pictures. The first one is the logo. The second one is kind of the instructions picture, or it's like a banner. You could call it a banner, okay? Now, whenever you do that, of course, that's the most done. So this is basically what you can do to add pictures, but you can also add pictures to your different types over here. So if you want to go back, and if you want to go to appointment types, you can add pictures to your appointment types. So you can click on edit here, for example. And if you go down here, you can see, there we go, it's going to allow you to put an image in here as well. So if I click on this, for example, and choose file over here, you can add images in here as well. And those images are going to show, of course, as messages after scheduling. And if I scroll down over here, you can also add an image for this. So if I go and put, for example, the same image again, just so we're going to repeat it, there we go. You can go and save it as well, top right. And whenever you do this, there we go, it's going to have an image. If I now go back and if I go to scheduling page over here, you'll see that, there we go, this one now has an image as well, okay? So that's how to actually upload pictures to Acuity scheduling site. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.